Okay, the snow's supposed to hit soon, and I rated the refrigerator, the freezer, and the pantry to old school, basically. Like I used to make stuff with whatever you got. And I'm going to put together some kind of a chicken soup. We'll see what else happens. And here's what I've got. So I got a bunch of spices that I didn't put out, but I have to see what's what. Got chicken breasts I thawed out from Sam's. Took the skins off. I'm going to reduce that down, make some schmaltz, some kind of a Mexican vegetable soup, maybe.